Right, Lauren, well, in the paper one in November, you scored 53 marks, which is about 10 marks off what you needed to be scoring in order to get a C grade. So let's see how you've done in this paper. So that's you times tables there. 63 only comes up once in your times tables, which is 9 sevens. 7425 is correct, and both of those are correct as well. Well done. Rectangle, trapezium is right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a pentagon, it's 5-sided shape. So that one's wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 for the page. That's right. Well done. Well done. The fact that those gaps are in the middle because it's a bar chart is correct. You should be using a ruler, you should be using a pencil, but for now I can live with that. That's good. That's 4 marks. That's 250 and that's 45. Excellent. 8 for the page. That's perfect. That's correct as well. 100 for the rent is right. It's not 175. A quarter, 25% is a quarter. So if you half that and half it again, it gives you a quarter. So half of it is 250. Half again is 125. But then your explanation is right. So you're going to get 1 out of the 2 marks for that. That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. Well done. And this one, 4 lots of 72 is not £3.60, but if it was, that would be right. So it's your adding up of 4 72s, which has cost you there. 2, 4, 6, 8, for example. Okay, so that's not a 0. 2, 4, 5, 9 for the page. 1.5 meters is good. You were then saying there's about 4 of those. There's actually more than 4. Probably you're not including the roof in that. Anyway, that's fine. Then you're saying it's about 4 lots of that, which is okay, but then you haven't worked it out, and that is a bit low. Median is 47, but it's not 50. Look, the largest is 51, so you're not going to get that last mark there. RPQ, good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for the page. 12, 215, well done. Excellent. Now that isn't 46, so that's your problem here. It's not an equilateral triangle. Those three angles can't be the same. It's the bottom 2 that are the same, so you have to do 180 take away 46, which gives you 134. Then you divide that by 2 to get 67, and each of those are 67. Then you've done the 180 take away that, so you're going to get 1 method mark for that taking away. So 6, 8, 9 for the page. That one's right. Well done. That's right. That's right. Ooh, that's not right. The 3 decimal places, you don't move them. 3 decimal places are the numbers, the 3 digits after the decimal point. That one's right. That's right. Have a look on the video clip where I've done that. I'll probably go through that in class. I suspect lots of people won't be able to do that. 3, 4, 7, 10 for the page. That's not a cube number, it's a square number. 6 sixes are 36. A cube number is a number that's times by itself. That's right. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3. That side's right, that side's right. This side isn't. You've doubled it, you've not multiplied it by 3. That needs to go down to there. And then across. And then down. Okay, with this one, nope, you've got that method wrong. What you have to do is find out how many students there are altogether, which you did, which is 90, and then you have to do 360 divided by 90, and whatever that value is, that's what you multiply. What you're working out here is an estimate for the mean, so that's totally the wrong method. 1, 2, 3 for the page. That's good, well done. That's not, again, I'll talk about that one in class. X equals 3, well done. 11r plus 2, well done. Okay, so the only mistake you've made here is when you multiplied out this part of the bracket, you've got a minus times a minus, which makes a plus. And you go wrong from there. 314 is the area of the circle. You've then got to work out the area of the rectangular part of it and take them away. The rest of that you got wrong. 2, 4, 6. And that's right up to there, but then from there it's not right. That's a 0.3 underneath, and the easiest thing to do is to get rid of that by timesing both top and bottom by 10 first. 2 for the progress you made. Good. Okay, Lauren, let's see how you got on then. 8, 16, 25, 32, 41, 51, 54, 55, 61, 63. That's good. That's the sort of mark you need to be getting back in November. Okay, so I'm going to say that that's 2 marks off a C. Okay, I'm calling 65 a C, so that's a D, but only 2 marks off a C. So that's really encouraging, because that's the first one that you've done in a couple of months now. That's a really strong start. Well done.